Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Fun Foam is probably one of the most versatile and exciting products you can get for creative play and stress relief, offering a unique tactile experience that's both calming and stimulating for all ages. Whether you're looking for a fun activity for kids, a way to unwind after a long day, or a unique medium for crafting and DIY projects, this pliable and moldable foam provides endless possibilities for entertainment and artistic expression, making it a standout choice in the world of sensory toys and craft supplies. Number 5. Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit for Girls. Unleash your creativity with this exciting ice cream slime kit. It's designed to spark imagination, allowing kids to create unique slimes with delightful scents and fun decorations. This comprehensive kit includes everything needed to make custom slimes. You'll find clear glue, slime activator, and a variety of fun mix-ins like scents, colors, and toppings. More than just slime, this kit helps develop important skills. Kids can explore creativity, make decisions, and learn through hands-on mixing and design. Get ready for sensory-rich play. This kit provides stretchy, squishy textures and colorful additions, making it perfect for imaginative crafting and endless fun. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY craft set is ideal for birthdays and special occasions. It even comes with a storage container to keep everything organized for future play. What we like? If you love creative and sensory play, this is the kit for you. It offers a unique ice cream theme with delightful scents and plenty of pieces for customization. If you're looking for a fun, hands-on activity that sparks imagination and results in a cool, stretchy creation, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The foam is soft and squishy, making it easy to mold and shape. It holds its shape well once dried, which is great for crafts and decorations. The foam is lightweight and doesn't add much weight to projects. Number 4. Educational Insights Playfoam 8-Pack. Discover the joy of tactile, mess-free foam dough. It never dries out, offering endless opportunities for creative sensory play that helps build early learning and fine motor skills. Mold it into shapes, letters, or numbers for hands-on practice. Use it again and again for imaginative crafts, sculpting animals, or creating structures. Enjoy all the fun without the mess. It sticks to itself but never to clothes, furniture, or skin, making it a perfect alternative to sticky slime or putty. This combo pack includes 8 vibrant colors in both classic and sparkle varieties. Its non-stick formula never dries out, ensuring the fun and creativity never end. Looking for a great gift? It makes an ideal birthday present, holiday stocking stuffer, or back-to-school surprise for young children. What we like? For parents seeking a truly mess-free creative experience, this is the ultimate solution. Its unique formula sticks to itself but not to surfaces, ensuring no cleanup stress. If you want a sensory toy that lasts and helps build early learning skills without the mess, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The foam is easy to mold and holds its shape well once cooled. It's great for creating detailed models and prototypes due to its fine texture. The foam is lightweight and durable, making it ideal for cosplay armor and props. Number 3. Better Office Products EVA Craft Foam Sheets. Unleash your creativity with this vibrant pack of craft foam sheets. You'll receive 100 sheets in 20 assorted colors, perfect for any project. Each sheet measures 5.5 by 8.5 inches and is 2 mm thick. This perfect thickness makes them easy to cut, shape, and glue for all your crafting needs. Enjoy uniform color throughout every sheet. You can rely on consistent hues for a professional finish on all your arts and crafts. These foam sheets are non-adhesive, giving you complete control. Apply your preferred glue only where you need it for a clean and precise application. Their pliable nature makes them incredibly versatile. Easily wrap or glue them to various shapes and surfaces, bringing your DIY projects to life. These durable foam sheets are built to last. They are ideal for a wide range of arts, crafts, DIY projects, and even school supplies. What we like? If your projects require a versatile and colorful material, look no further. These foam sheets offer a wide array of colors and a perfect thickness for cutting and shaping. If you're a crafter, student, or DIY enthusiast who needs reliable, pliable foam for various arts and crafts, this bulk pack is ideal. What people say. The foam is soft and squishy, making it easy to mold and shape. It holds its shape well once dried, perfect for crafts and decorations. The foam is lightweight and doesn't add much weight to projects. Number 2. Special Supplies Fun Foam Modeling Clay Kit. This foam modeling clay is designed to help children build, create, and design in 3 dimensions. It's perfect for unleashing their unique imaginations and expanding their artistic creativity. Our educational clay is soft and pliable, helping to hone motor skills while stimulating their senses. It's a great choice for helping children learn, grow, and express themselves. Made with high-quality, kid-friendly foam, it sticks together but not to surfaces. This means they can play with it safely almost anywhere they want to have fun. These foam beads can be pushed and shaped into limitless designs. Your child can make all kinds of ideas come to life, from dragons to castles and more. Playing with these foam beads is fun for almost every age. We offer a 10-pack to support solo play or group activities at parties or in classrooms. What we like? For a safe and engaging modeling experience, this foam bead kit is a top contender. It's designed to stick together, making creations easy to build and less messy. If you're looking for an educational toy that fosters creativity and fine motor skills in young children, this is a great option for both solo and group play. What people say. The foam is soft and squishy, making it easy to mold and shape. It holds its shape well once dried, perfect for crafts and decorations. The foam is lightweight and doesn't add much weight to projects. Number 1. Search and find activity mats for kids. Embark on an exciting learning adventure with our unique activity mats. They are designed to make learning fun and engaging for your little ones. Discover 12 double-sided, reusable mats filled with 22 engaging toddler activities. These help build vocabulary while keeping them entertained for hours. Explore a world of creativity with activities like mazes, puzzles, and shadow matching. The reverse side offers even more fun learning opportunities. Looking for a great gift? These mats are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, offering the gift of learning and creativity. Nurture vital skills such as observation, problem-solving, and concentration. They help children develop key abilities while they play and explore. Unleash their inner artist on the drawing board or practice handwriting on the ruled board. It's perfect for early writing skills development. Dive into diverse themes like the sea, farm, dinosaurs, and space. There are plenty of hidden objects to seek and find in each exciting world. What we like? If you want an educational toy that offers endless replayability and learning opportunities, this is it. The reusable dry erase mats with diverse themes keep kids engaged and learning vital skills. If you're looking for a travel-friendly activity that builds vocabulary, problem-solving, and fine motor skills, this is an excellent choice for young explorers. What people say. The foam is easy to use and creates a fun, bubbly experience. It rinses off easily, leaving no residue. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.